welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the SumUP terminal. So once you get your SumUP terminal box and you open it up, you're going to see the quick start guide right here at the top and your terminal right here at the bottom. We can go ahead and take this big guy out. And then right underneath you'll see the USB charging port. Some quick pros and cons about the SumUP terminal. So it is a pretty affordable terminal, so good to start off with. It's easy to set up and it does come with that free mobile app, and it does accept all types of payments. Some of the cons would be the size, especially for you mobile merchants, which are usually the type of merchants that like these mobile terminals. If we see in comparison here to some of the other really popular mobile terminals that we sell, the size is pretty significant, the size difference wise. The next thing would be the high processing fees with SumUP. And then the third con that I wanted to mention was that unfortunately they offer little to no support on this particular reader. So if you have any issues, you're kind of on your own with that. So that is the unboxing of the SumUP terminal along with some quick pros and cons. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment down below. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Like this video if you liked it, and we'll see you next time. Thanks!